Hey crafty friends! Today I'm going to show you how to make the magic circle, also called the magic ring. This is a great technique for when you're crocheting in the round and you don't want any gaps in the middle. So let's get our yarn and our crochet hook ready. And you're going to take the end of the yarn in your left hand. This is if you're a right hand crocheter. And if you're a left hand crocheter, just put it in your right hand. Then we're going to grab the yarn with our right hand with the tail hanging down. You can use 2 or 3 fingers, and then you're going to hold it with your thumb against your finger and wrap the yarn around your fingers. You kind of want to do it as a little bit of an angle. So from here up to here, and then wrap underneath, and then you're going to make an X. So we're going to take it from the top a little bit downward. And then you can hold that one with your pinky. Then we're going to take our crochet hook, and on this part of the X, we're going to take our crochet hook and go underneath it. And then we're going to hook this part of the yarn right here. So underneath and over and hook it. And then we're going to pull it up just a little bit so it looks like this. And then we're going to twist our crochet hook towards us. Just twist it like this. You don't want this to be super tight. You can pull on it a little bit. It's a little bit looser. You can put your yarn a little bit up on the crochet hook. And then you're going to take your crochet hook again, and we're going to go underneath this yarn here, the one closest to your pinky. And then we're going to pull up with our crochet hook and then hook that yarn and pull it through this loop. And that's going to create your slip stitch. Then you can let go and you have your magic ring. So then you can start crocheting like normal. And in order to do single crochets, you're just going to crochet around the ring, and you can even go over this tail. So you're going to go inside the ring and just make your single crochet. Now you have to kind of hold on to the ring so that way you can pull your hook through. So go in. Just make sure you're holding on to that ring so you're able to pull your hook through. Once you get enough crochets going, you can hold on to your work here. And when you're making these single crochets, make sure you don't make them too tight. I know when I'm learning a new technique, I tend to tense up a little bit and make my crochets a little bit too tight. So just relax and make sure you're pulling your hook up just a little bit so you have a little bit looser single crochets. And then once you have all the single crochets you need for that round, you're going to take this end that you have and then hold on to your work. And then you're just going to pull this, and it's going to pull this part here on your magic circle, and it's going to pull tight. And then when you want to start a new round, you'll start here on your first single crochet, or whatever your pattern tells you to do. And make sure you start with your working yarn and not your tail. So you just crochet into this one. This one can be a little bit difficult. That's why I was saying make it loose. So you just want to make sure your hook goes under that V there. And then do your next single crochet. And that's how it's done. So if you have any questions, let me know in the comments, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.